K1 villa by Archtify in CHANIA, Greece. In a sloping plot overlooking the sea and the White Mountains, it was designed and constructed a villa of highly functional and aesthetic standards. Its main feature are the pure forms, which stand out from detail in design and implementation. The access from the southern and highest point of the plot reveals only a small part of the building. The stone of the plot dresses the monolithic volumes that stand against the slope and open to the view. At the same time, they ensure privacy for the guest and harmonious integration in the landscape. The entrance corridor is the backbone of the composition. It sinks to the ground, runs through the building, expands by forming an inner atrium and continues its movement towards the outdoor areas of the pool and beyond it, conceivably, the sea. The touristic villa consists of 5 luxurious rooms and comfortable indoor and outdoor living areas. It has a total surface of 320 square m. and a part of 44 square m. that is buried into the ground, at a plot of 9,055 square m. On the western ground floor are placed the living areas, which are in immediate connection with the natural landscape. The large openings on both sides of the building facades, made of 4 invisible frames pocket windows, offer permeability, and allow continuous and unimpeded flow with the surrounding space, both spatial and visual. In this way the outside space flows inside while at the same time there is constant visual contact with the sea. In the eastern volume of the 2 levels, there are the private spaces, which are placed by taking advantage of the favorable orientation and the view of the landscape. Throughout the building, the openings are located almost theatrically, framing the view or the circulation of the building. With this way they intensify the contact between outside and inside, allowing the sea and the landscape to enter inside. At a lower level along the main route, a slit in the ground leads to the 2 additional buried dormitories. They expand to the north in an enclosed protected courtyard, where the user, hidden inside the slope, enjoys privacy in the natural environment and unobstructed views at the sea. At the end of the route, the pool area, the outdoor kitchen and the dining area form an independent zone of outdoor living. Mostly endemic plants were selected for planting, as well as olive trees. The goal is the smooth integration in the local landscape of Apokoronas. The volumes of the building are covered with local stone so that they converse with the natural landscape. At the same time the corridor slit is underlined by white walls. The floors inside and outside are with the same material, which is pressed cement mortar, in order to ensure the continuity of interior and exterior spaces. The study lasted 2017 to 2018 and the construction of the project 2018 to 2020. Both stages were developed in partnership between Archtify and JK's project. The diligence in the design and implementation of the project enabled the consistency between the initial idea and the final result.